problem.
Big problem.
I really need it.
A good garage door repair company.
And I kept searching.
And searching.
There are so many choices.
It's really hard to find one that has all the things on my list.
But I finally did it.
Yes. Thank you.
If you were looking for one as well,
Look no further.
Here's a really good one.
Just use mine.
Use mine.
I'm very satisfied.
Definitely recommend.
Problem gone.
thank you.
If you are searching for a reliable, fast local garage door company, you have finally come to the right place. We offer a comprehensive range of garage door installation and repair services. Our team of national garage door experts can fix any kind of garage door repair in any of your local areas in no time. Visit us at www.garagedoorrepairservice.com today.